Ka Meghalaya Institute of Governance, Ningasi ka Santrik Unaiwing Arja Arpsau, Kala Pynhap, Perdano, ya ka program kabalatip kum ka building young leaders by empowering adolescent boys and girls with transformation life skills. Ya ka balapalong ha district library hall nongpo, ha kane ka program lawan ban Pynhap Perdano da UMLA ka nongpo constituency uba Merrill Bonds im kum ukong san hakajing idon rengkar ka project coordinator ka kong June H warba rengkat bat kiwe ki nong kitkam ki nong hikai lem bat ki kena school.
This is the time, this is the age that you have to be very careful. It is very vulnerable age. During my time also, I remember, this is the age between 13 to 18 that we have to be very careful. How to choose friends, because you should remember, the friends, the colleague who are very much near you, you're mingling every day, you're discussing every day, he or she might be a best friend of yours. But remember, it is the close one who will backstab you one day. Remember, I'm not telling all are like that. Don't misunderstand me. Not all are like that. But there are instances that has happened like that. These are lessons that we have to learn. Whatever is around us in our day-to-day journey, in school, in community, in churches, in any social activities that you are participating, you have to remember that to select good friends within the circle of friends that you have, because there are many. I've seen many of my contemporary, they have been positioned in good position. There are many in my contemporary colleague, they are nowhere now because of selecting friends in and around the circle of friends in society, in school, that we have to be very careful. That's why when you go out from this program, you have to keep in mind that the issues that has been brought and taught to you in school, apart from your daily curricular activities that you have, the syllabus that you are completed in school, whatever training that you have got, please keep in mind that it will help you to build a better future in days to come. You may be good in studies, you may be good in exams, but remember one thing is that you also have to be a good human being. You will represent yourself. To be a good human being is very important. That's why, student, you have to learn how to respect others. You have to learn how to respect teachers. You have to learn how to respect your parents. You have to learn how to respect the one who have helped you, in and around you also. That's why you have to be very specific in how you will choose your friends, very specific on how to choose the part of life that you will go ahead from now on. Maybe you have learned a lot about social media, about mobile phone, about internet. Everything is at fingertips. Maybe out of you, there are parents who allowed you to use mobile phone. Maybe those students who, your parents, they don't allow to use mobile phone. Because in mobile phone, internet, 50% are good things, 50% are bad things also there, which we should not encourage yourself to go to those kind of sites in the internet, which will lure you to a different kind of thinking, antisocial element in the society. Because I've seen from my own eyes also, many young boys and girls, even in my community, 10:30 at night when I came out of my house or from the balcony to watch outside, boys sitting in the street, in the corridor, to watch mobile, what they do, I don't know. So one day I went out to check and they run away. I think something wrong they are watching, that's why they run away. Why people are running away if they are not doing anything bad? So many things is happening, so we would like to see that whatever the knowledge that you are getting, will look forward that you will keep them for the benefit of your future, for yourself, for the future generation of our society.